important technique in computer graphics. In GIMP, we can put different objects in different layers, and then combine them together as a single image. Now, let's work with this HKUST campus image again. So one easy way to create a layer is to select some object from this image, let's say this building, and then right-click and choose Float to put the object in a separate layer. Now, this is just a temporary layer for the selection. To make it a normal layer, we have to right-click and put it as a new layer. Now we have one layer contains the building on top of the campus image. And we can toggle the visibility of a layer by using the eye besides the layer. Now to focus on this layer which contains the building, we can simply make the background layer invisible. Now I can apply Gaussian blur to this layer. And then later on, when I combine this layer together with the background layer, this is how the image is going to look like. So now let's start a new project with the campus image again. So now let's say I want to add some text to my image. You can see that the text being added to the image is going to be on a separate layer. Okay, now I also want to add the UST logo into my image. I can do it by putting the logo as a separate layer on my image. But since this layer is a JPEG file and the background is not transparent, we have to do something to make the background transparent so that we can see the campus behind the logo. So first thing that we have to do is to add our channel to this layer to make it support transparent background. Then we have to remove this white background to make it transparent. To remove the background, we can simply focus on the logo layer and then choose to use the eraser tool to remove the background. We may also use the fuzzy selection tool to select all the white color in this layer, and then choose to delete all the white color in this layer. And finally, I can scale the logo to be smaller and then put it at the bottom right corner of my image. And this is how the final image is going to look like. Okay, now you can save your project as a GIMP file or export it using some other formats, for example PNG or JPEG.